Another video. Today we have the hacks are live. Makita hacks are live online. The circular saws are hacks are live at the homedepot.com. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I want to give a quick shout out to Kicker 5370 something. So shout out to Kicker for helping out the channel. If you're listening to this video, make sure you or anybody else that wants to help out the channel by telling me about these deals, add me up on Instagram and send me a message through Instagram, because sometimes the comments will not post. I don't know what YouTube, and I can't see them. I can't go to the review. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So you go down here. I'm gonna leave the links to these tools at the bottom in the description section, so you guys would go directly. So yeah, so this is something we've seen before at the stores, but not online. Like here, you got the rear handle, the two batteries, the two 5s, a dual charger, a bag, and you get 2 free batteries. $249. You can't hack that. All right, you can only buy it, which is a great deal. Don't get me wrong; it's a smoking killer deal for $249. But you know what? If you just want the saw and this kit here, this is the video for you. You're gonna be able to get this for dirt cheap. All right, so pretty much you go to here, like I said, to the saw, and again I'm gonna list the saw at the bottom. So you add this to the cart. Well, it's actually selected already. On the app, I had to do it manually. So it's already here for you on the app. I believe you have to do it manually. I did it manually because this wasn't available. Now I guess now it is. So you add both to the cart, and it's a total of $600. Just kidding. It's $151.96. Guys, this is a killer smoking deal for the rear handle. 36 volts, 2 5-amp hour batteries, a 7 1/4 circular saw, a dual charger, a bag. Yeah, this is a killer smoking deal. This is way too good to pass. I think I'm gonna pick one up. I spent it so much money already, but you know, this is just so good of a deal, and I need to upgrade on my circular saw. So let's look at the cart here real quick. Hopefully we can see it. Obviously we're gonna have to, don't pay attention to the Milwaukee's. So this is, like I said, killer deal. I'm gonna go ahead and delete the Milwaukee's anyways, just to so you guys would see the actual price and everything. So you got subtotal of $548. It says savings $299. Pickup and store free. Sale tax, I guess it's not applied yet, but it will be applied obviously after you put your information in. And out the door price is $249, which is a great deal. But you know what, guys? You guys could put this, if you guys want to keep this tool, the tool you want to keep, you can put it to the store pickup. The tool that you don't want to keep, you want to get rid of, or you want to cancel it, you put it to ship it to home. Obviously you're going to get an email. Make sure you guys put in your email. Go to your email and cancel this, and just keep the saw and go pick it up. No questions asked. All you have to do is just go pick it up at the store. And anyways, let's go ahead and look at the other deal that they got. So we're going to go ahead and Makita circular saw here. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below. Where is the other saw? I know I saw it somewhere. Oh, this is the other saw here. So this is the sidewinder here, the one that has the motor on the side. Still great deal, still great saw. This is mostly for the DIY, for somebody that's not a really hardcore framer. The other one's mostly for hardcore framer. I personally prefer the other one. I feel better with the other one. But I do have something like this, not this brand, but I have another brand. So it's time for me to upgrade here with this deals, smoking deals. So you got this circular saw. Then again, this is 7 1/4. It's the same thing with two 5 amp hour batteries. This is a 36 volt tool. So this is a beast of a saw. $249. You add this thing to the cart. Obviously, you have to add the batteries too. You add it to the cart. You're gonna get that same deal. Hold on. This allow. Pick up in store. All right. So let's see, 249 quantity 1. All right. Let me go to the cart. Obviously, I'm getting a battery already in there, so I gotta either remove one or get the other. So let's see here, 2 batteries. Let me just remove this one. And remove one of these. Hopefully it'll do it. If not, then I'm going to have to... Alright guys, $151.96 for the 36 volt cordless 7 1/4 circular saw kit with a twin pack of 5 amp hour batteries. Killer smoking deal. Even this, guys, this $97 for two 5 amp hours batteries, it's a smoking deal. Make sure you guys get it. I'll leave the link down below. Big shout out to Kicker for letting us know about this awesome deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next